Hello, everyone. Have you encountered situations where PCBA electronic components are high during cutting process? Today, let's see how did our Zhangji PCB depaneling machine solve this problem. First, we will choose the appropriate length or diameter of milling cutter and blade. Then design a cutting path that maintains a safe distance from electronic components. If it is too high and may affect the cutting effect, we would suggest customizing a specialized fixture to place the side with electronic components at the bottom and cut from the other side. So no matter what, you don't have to worry about the cutting effect being affected by high electronic components. You only need to provide samples, and we will design the most suitable cutting plan for you. That's all for today. See you next time.